that had more of these facts known at the time been released as they were, just facts as they were discovered, it would have probably quelled a lot of the aggression and tension around the country. My word for it, these are the words of Jonathan Hall, KC, whose views appear broadly to align with mine.
How the CPS, how the police, how the authorities approach giving information when these terrible attacks occurs has to be thought about in the new social media age. Just saying nothing is no longer an option.
Well, I must respectfully disagree. We have on many occasions highlighted the importance of certain principles that must be respected. Chief among these are the rights to a fair investigation and a fair trial, which are essential for both defendant and victim. In cases where the perpetrator's identity is disputed or even the commission of the crime is disputed, ensuring fairness is critical to avoid miscarriages of justice. However, even when the defendant is caught in the act, as in this case, compromising a trial could ultimately deny justice to the victims. In this case, the perpetrator had already been apprehended and there was no immediate threat to public safety. The police's priority, therefore, was rightly to investigate the incident, understand its motives, and gather evidence to ensure a fair trial. Any release of information at this stage could prove disastrous. The appropriate time for the public to receive full disclosure is during the trial, not during the early stages of an arrest. During the trial, the public has the right to access court proceedings, evidence presented, and judicial finding. Post-trial, it is then the appropriate time to assess whether anything could have been done to prevent what happened and whether state's action or inertia contributed to it. However, having said that, the principle that authority may maintain silence during the investigation stage so as to ensure a fair trial is only justifiable if used uniformly across the board. It is concerning that the approach, however, often seems inconsistent and ad hoc, which undermines public trust and the justice system integrity. Transparency policies must be applied uniformly across all cases or not at all.